Hey guys, my name's Nick. I'm with Marine Parts Specialty Services, and today we're going to be going over this 17-foot Grady White Spirit. We put a DF140 on it, and we're going to go through and show you guys all the upgrades we did to it. The customer wanted us to bring it into the 21st century, and I think we've done just that. So if you guys are ready, let's dive on in. So the customer, when they originally brought this to us, they actually had a two-stroke Yamaha on here. You know, fuel efficiency and reliability, especially on a motor that's 30 years old, that's two-stroke. The customer wanted us to upgrade it to the Suzuki four-stroke, 140 horsepower. So the first thing we did was we de-rigged everything. So we pulled all the controls, all the wiring, pulled the motor off. And then we do a transom inspection at that point to make sure that, you know, with it being a 30-year-old boat, that we didn't have any water intrusion or any damage to the transom before we hung the new motor on it. The transom checked out. This is actually the SPC model, so it's a precision control made by Suzuki. So it's all fly-by-wire. There's no shift or throttle cable. It's all electric, real smooth action to it. And yeah, so as you can see, this turned out great. So another cool feature I just wanted to quickly touch on is the customer actually talked to us about doing hydraulic steering. So we did hydraulic steering for him. So we've got the hydraulic steering ram here, and U-Flex actually makes a really cool product where you've got this hydraulic hose through hole fitting here. Adds for a really clean installation. So it turned out great, and it steers great too. So another thing we do when we had the boat completely de-rigged, everything's pulled off of it, we actually bodywork this boat. So it had a little bit of chalking to the gel coat. With doing all this work to it and the amount of money this guy's putting into it, you know, we said we need to make it look brand new. So the next thing we're going to go over is the dash. We pulled everything out. So everything has been essentially wiped clean and installed new. And we've got the precision control throttle here. We've got our hydraulic steering. We have an SMD7 display. So this is going to show his engine functions along with plotting and sounding for fishing, switching for his electronics, for his nav lights, bilge pump, live well, and then his actual electronics here. So we went through and basically just gave this dash a full facelift. Well, now it's time to sea trial the Grady White, and it's a lovely, comfortable 32 degrees outside and snowing. So if you guys are ready, let's go for a ride. So when we go to sea trial a boat, there's a few things we want to look at while the boat is underway. The first thing is we're wanting to look at the top wide open throttle RPMs. So with the throttle all the way down and as fast as the boat is going, we want to look at the RPMs at that point. If the boat is propped right for a Suzuki outboard motor, especially the DF140, we should be in the ballpark between 5,000 to 6,000. We want to be closer to the top end of that at about 5,800 to 6,000. And that's right about where we were with this boat. Well, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. If you have a job that you want us to take on or tackle, please give us a call at the information below. If you found this video interesting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.